My name is Nagaraj. This week I'm learning BRR strategy, how 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 to deal with the numbers, and how to finance, and how to get the help from the finance, and how to access the deal, and how we do the calculations and how to find the deal. That's what. Yeah. Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed it a lot. Now I'm having confidence in doing in finding the houses of mainly BRR strategies, and what we have to. And I have learned the leash option as well, and I'll be looking to find the deals in that strategies. And after finding the deal, where you put it, like in a deal connect, and how to find investors, and how we can help with the financing. That's what I learned for this week. Yeah, it's very awesome, very nice to enjoy.
And
Thank
would
you.
you recommend something like this? Would you recommend something like this to someone?
Yes, definitely, definitely. I would recommend, and I would suggest Samuel to do like lifelong membership with Samuel Leeds Academy. Instead of renewing, if he put like a certain price for lifelong academy, and I would happy to join in there.